Hey, it's Ruben with Book Cleaning Jobs, and I see a lot of people running Google ads for their carpet cleaning business. But what I don't see a lot of people doing is running display ads or video ads on Google for their carpet cleaning business. And I think there's a lot of misconceptions out there about display ads or the Google Display Network or banner ads. For years, people have said they're ineffective. That Google will just take your budget and waste it. That you won't drive any leads. That it's a total waste, right? Kids will be clicking on your ads while they're playing games. People from other countries will click your ads. I've heard it all, right? There's even articles about this out there saying that a good chunk of ad clicks on the display network for Google are fraudulent clicks. They're either bots or they're click farms or whatever, right? There's all of this negativity out there surrounding display ads, and because of that, a lot of carpet cleaners have not even considered testing them. If they even run ads on Google, they put 100% of their budget towards search ads. And at Book Cleaning Jobs, that's not really the strategy that we employ. We do set up search ads for every client that comes to us. We include Google ads with the growth plans that we set up for carpet cleaners, because Google ads is an incredible lever to pull to grow your carpet cleaning business. But after you've set up search ads, a lot of people stop there. They either just set a budget that they are comfortable with and they run those forever. And that's fine. I'd recommend, if that's your strategy, I would also increase your budget a little bit every year because of inflation, costs of, ad clicks go up. A lot of stuff goes up over time. So just increase your budget slightly every year. Or if you're looking to grow your business, increase your budget by, 20%, 30%, 40%, something like that every year. And just keep doing that consistently to drive more people into your business. And eventually you can add more trucks and grow. But another thing that you can do is you can actually run display ads for your carpet cleaning business. And I just don't see anybody doing this because I think a lot of people consider this to be waste. So I just want to show you really quick. This is a campaign that I've been running for a number of years now, actually. This is the last 30 days of data. So the red numbers, the red on the chart here is the conversions. Blue is clicks, right? So you can see it's getting healthy clicks and conversions on pretty much a daily basis. The total budget on this is $40 a day. So we're talking about, maybe $1,200 a month. Not a lot of money to spend on advertising. It's a pretty modest budget. I know a lot of people want to spend less than that. I don't recommend spending any less than maybe $1,000 at bare minimum, maybe $750 a month on Google ads, but that's a starting budget. If you can, you should be spending, $1,000, $1,200, $1,500 a month or more on ads. And most markets can sustain that unless you're in a really small market. This is a small market, by the way. This is a small college town. This is not a big city at all. The nearest big city is at least an hour away from this place. So this $30 a day budget is the search ads. And you can see that for the last 30 days, it's had 235 clicks, 54 conversions, and just about a $16 cost per conversion. That's really excellent. I love to see that with search ads, and most people would be very, very happy if they achieved results like that with their Google ads campaigns, but most people would stop there. And so we don't stop there at Book Cleaning Jobs. Whenever possible, we encourage clients to run display ads because display is an incredible way to brand your business in the local area without spending a lot of money. And most people don't see display as a brand campaign, but it kind of is. And if you think of it that way, think of it as a brand campaign that can also drive you conversions, then you'll really understand the value of a display campaign for your carpet cleaning business. So here's what I mean. This display campaign right here, we've got a budget of $5 a day, very small budget. So if you think about $5 a day over the course of a month, you'll spend $150. So where else can you do a $150 a month branding campaign that you think you would get any kind of results at all? When I was running my carpet cleaning business, there were not a lot of opportunities like that out there. I think I ran a magazine ad that it was actually more than that. I think it cost me $300 or $400 a month for that magazine ad, and it drove absolutely no results. So that was maybe like a branding play that I tried. I tried to brand my company in a local area. Display works much better. For $5 a day, for instance, you could set up a display campaign that would show your banner ads, your photos, your headlines, your calls to action, your offers to people in your local area. You could set a radius or choose zip codes or cities, counties, however you want to target those display ads. If you know how to set these up correctly, you won't waste a lot of budget. And that's kind of important. It's important to hire somebody who knows how to run Google ads, somebody who knows specifically how to run Google display ads. And there's not a lot of ad managers out there who can do that. If you need help, contact Book Cleaning Jobs. We can absolutely help you with this. So for our $5 a day budget, we spent $132 in the last 30 days. 31,858 people saw this ad. So that's almost 32,000 people in this client's local area who saw this ad. And they're not just random people. These are people that we are fairly certain are interested in carpet cleaning services or would be a good fit for having their carpets cleaned. So we've shown this ad to 31,000 people, more than 31,000 people in the last 30 days. Only 54 of them clicked. And that's important. And it's one of my favorite parts of running display campaigns, because with Google Ads, you only pay when somebody actually clicks on your ad. So we paid for 54 clicks at $2.46 per click. We spent $132. But as a side effect of paying for those clicks, we got our ad in front of 31,000 people in the last 30 days. That's a massive branding effect. That's 31,000 people who saw your business. You didn't have to pay for it. They saw your business though, and you're now branded in their mind as a local carpet cleaner. If they think about getting their carpets cleaned, if they can remember the name of your business or the ad that they saw, if they see your ad again, they might click on it the next time. This starts to compound, right? That's how brand marketing works. That's how branding works. You show your ad to people over and over and over. You do it consistently in the same way, and people suddenly understand who your brand is and they can recognize it when they see it out. So this is a really inexpensive way to brand your business in your local area, but it goes a step further than that, because this isn't just a branding campaign. Google Ads is actually powerful enough. If you set these ads up correctly, you can actually drive leads with these ads, and you won't always drive leads with them. So don't make that your goal. Make your goal to brand your business and make it bigger in your local area. But if you get some leads along the way, that's great too, right? So on this campaign, we actually had 4 leads come through in the last 30 days, an average cost per lead of $33.18. And $33 a lead, that's pretty good. I know a lot of carpet cleaners who are paying more than that on Google local service ads right now. And this campaign is getting leads for less than a lot of people are paying for LSAs. $33 a lead. It is more than what they're paying on their search campaign. On search, they're paying $16 a lead, right? But we're getting leads at $33 a piece. And further, we're showing these ads to 31,000 or more people in a 30-day time period. So incredible, incredible branding. The other campaign that we're running is a video campaign. And again, this may or may not be for you. Similar effect, right? We're showing these ads to people, these video ads on YouTube and other places where Google can show video ads. We're showing those videos to people. We spent about $143 in the last 30 days, $5 a day budget again. We had 10,000 people see this video in the last 30 days. Once again, think about that branding effect. Imagine if somebody saw your carpet cleaning company's video on YouTube over and over and over again throughout the month. They're going to remember that you're the local carpet cleaner, right? Well, 10,000 people had that experience. They saw this cleaner on YouTube with a video ad in the last 30 days. And 3,500 people actually interacted with this ad, which is pretty incredible. From that, we drove 1 lead, right? So $143 cost per lead. Not amazing, not an amazing cost per lead, but that wasn't the point of this campaign. We're spending this money to brand this business in the local area. And the combined effect of running display ads, video ads, getting in front of over 40,000 people in the last 30 days, that actually helps your search ads perform better. Because believe it or not, what starts to happen is when people see your brand over and over and over again on YouTube and on banner ads, when they're on the news websites and their local blogs and whatever else, they see your brand over and over again. When they decide they want to get their carpets cleaned, they actually go to Google and search for you directly. They type your name into Google and start searching for your company because they want to find you and they want to check out your reviews and make sure that you are the person they want to hire for the job. And if you pass all those tests, then you are highly likely to start booking a lot of carpet cleaning jobs. Now, this doesn't cost a lot of money. Like I said, this total budget here is $40 a day, about $1,200 a month. And we're doing a full search, display, and video campaign for this client. This has been going on for years, and this client has been making money hand over fist in this small local market, and it's been going great. So I just wanted to show this to you because I think a lot of people have misconceptions about display ads and video ads, and they think that it's not going to work for carpet cleaners. But we absolutely believe in them at Book Cleaning Jobs. They're part of our strategy here. So if you need any help marketing your carpet cleaning business, go to BookCleaningJobs.com, request time to speak with us. We'd be happy to set up a growth plan for your carpet cleaning business, which would include a Google Ads campaign. And if you have budget for it, we'd be happy to set up a display campaign for you as well. I'm Ruben with Book Cleaning Jobs. Please hit like if this video was helpful and hit subscribe if you want to grow your carpet cleaning business. Talk to you next time.